SB19 won 3 awards at the 37th AWID Awards awarding ceremony last night. Among their wins were Best Performance by a Group and Best Dance/Electronic Recording for their song. Josh Cullen also won Best Music Video of the Year for his song Wild Tonight. It is worth noting that all of their wins came from judges' votes. Pablo thanked everyone who helped them achieve these awards, especially their fans who continuously support them despite of pursuing their solo careers.
Nakaka-relate sila na talagang tumatago sa kanila at nagiging inspirasyon din sila sa ibang tao. So, to be recognized dun sa mga ginagawa natin, sobrang nakakataba po ng puso. Alam ko, gusto ko lang din sabihin na mabuhay lahat ng artists na dito ngayon na gumagawa ng musika. Mabuhay din sa lahat po ng mga nakatulong namin sa pag-produce, ang kapatid ko si Josue, si Simon, 1Z Entertainment na talagang binibig namin from the very start. Sony Music Philippines, maraming salamat. Talaga nagtiwala sa amin from the very beginning. Maraming salamat po. 18, mahal na mahal namin kayo rin sa lahat ng artists. Ang buhay kayo lahat. Let's go!
Of course, we would like to thank all the awards for this award po and our Sony Music family for and of course, 1Z Entertainment, thank you so much po. Of course, sa mga brothers guys, thank you for the hard work for everything. Pero ako po gusto mo na kasama kay God for giving us the strength every day to do our best sa lahat ng gusto namin gawin. And for our fans 18, maraming salamat po. Hindi naman po namin maaabot ang lahat ng ito kung hindi po dahil support at pagmamahal niya. Maraming salamat. And to all the people na nag-root po sa amin until now, maraming salamat po and mag-get po tayo hanggang kailan din po natin gusto. Maraming salamat.
Tapos ang SB19. Pero syempre po, this was my first baby. Debut music video ko siya sing before. So I'm very proud kasi natalo niya ang Ginto at saka I Want You. So, awin na lang next time, boys! Maraming salamat po syempre, of course, to Yumi Oz Manila for making my visions come to life. Meron din ba kayo gusto sabihin?
Thank you, Awit Awards, Barry, and to my team, Yumi Oz Manila, Kasarito.
These awards are proof that their songs continue to leave an impact timelessly.